So you can use these different growth regulators before flowering, as well as girdling, as well as centering operation, in order to regulate your crop. So that is one for maintaining your hormonal level, and another for maintaining your CN ratio. So like operations like girdling as well as centering. So centering operation also can be done. That is, if you are removing the central some big stems or branches, means it will give your proper sunlight. Penetration of sunlight will be good to the different branches. So as you are doing some thinning operation also, that is keeping some minimum amount of branches and dense or dense branches you have to remove, especially from the center. So it will give your and there will be photosynthesis accumulation in all shoots, and it will help for your crop for proper flowering as well as fruiting. So as we are coming to harvesting as well as yield, it is non-climatic fruit crop. So like citrus species or grape species in non-climatic fruit. So there will not be any ripening once the fruit harvested from the tree. So it is recommended that you can harvest at around 90% maturity. You can harvest this fruit. So once you harvest it, there will not be any ripening. Rate of precipitation, ethylene production, it will not increase. So full mature stage also. Okay. So that is more than 90% maturity. You can harvest. So trees start bearing from 3 to 4 years after planting. So in case of grafted as well as budded or air layer. So with proper care and maintenance under this suitable environmental condition as well as economic life of the crop, maybe over 100 years. So 100 years, it may give you 5 to 60 days. So that is almost 2 months from your flowering to harvest. So the crop duration is that is from flowering up to maturity of your fruit. Duration is almost 2 months. So fruits will be harvested during May as well as June. So that is correct. The summer season. So maturity indices are the flatness of tubercles or smoothness of epicarp. So outer portion it will be rough initially. So it will be smoothened as well as proper color development. That is your anthocyanin development. Particular red color will be there. To this initially it will be green. To later it will be pink or so slight reddish or pinkish color will be there. So whole bunches will be harvested manually by intacting some leaf portion. So that will create some light pruning also, as well as during packing transportation, it will act as a one cushioning material. So you need not to use any other type of cushioning material here. So yield is about 80 to 150 kg per tree per fruit, kg of fruits per tree. With Indian condition storage, you cannot store for more than 2 to 3 days under room temperature. Okay, so what you have to do is, so 5 weeks, but you can store if temperature is lower, that is 1.6 to 7.2 degrees centigrade in perforated polythene bags. So dipping the fruits in 250 ppm of ethyl, it will improve your fruit color. Then coming to some disorders, physiological disorder. So this is because of so many complex problems like fruit cracking. So fruit cracking anyway, otherwise it is deficiency of boron also. So or because of some during summer season, because of moisture stress also, it may give fruit cracking problem. So whole fluctuation in diurnal temperature. So that is very high temperature during day and very low temperature. So that is difference in day and night temperature. So heavy irrigations after prolonged dry spell. Then hailstorm during the fruit development, boron deficiency. So this is as well as causes injury to the fruit skin. So this is some complex problem. To avoid fruit cracking, field it should be irrigated during fruit growth. So that is proper moisture retention in the soil. You can use 2,4-D, GA3, boron. So these are some hormones, and this is nutrient, micronutrient to reduce your fruit cracking. Then some plant protection, you can, some mites are problematic here. Then caterpillar as well as disease, that is storage rot is very major disease here. So likewise, so any doubt, difficulty in this crop? Hello. Okay.